Ready to level up your IoT skills? Let's dive in. Have you ever wanted to build real-world projects using ESP32 but didn't know where to start? What if you could master ESP32 in just 45 days and create smart devices from scratch? Hi, I'm Ashraf, an expert in embedded systems and IoT development. With years of hands-on experience and thousands of students worldwide, I've designed this 45-day ESP32 bootcamp to help you go from beginner to expert fast. This course is, well, a step-by-step journey through the ESP32. We'll be covering the fundamentals and programming with both Arduino IDE and MicroPython. You'll also dive into Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for, seamless wireless communication. Plus, we'll explore sensor integration for smart, interactive projects. And of course, we'll look at some real-world applications like home automation and wearable devices. Hands-on learning. Work on real projects from day one. Structured 45-day plan. No guesswork, just results. Industry-relevant skills. Prepare for IoT and embedded systems careers. Don't just learn ESP32, master it. Click the link below to enroll now and start building your own IoT solutions today.